Guys, we are starting with the third grammar topic today, that is modal auxiliary. This is the third topic. First, articles and prepositions we have completed. Whatever your doubts will be, we'll complete it. We'll clear it out afterwards. We are starting with a new topic today. Fine. Modal auxiliary is nothing, guys, but it is the word. There are mostly 11 words, 11 to 12 words, and that words are having their own functions. They want to indicate something. What they want to? They want to indicate our attitude towards what we are saying or what y'all are doing. Because without modal auxiliary, a sentence cannot work or it cannot give a meaning also. So modal auxiliary is compulsory in each and every sentence when we are making, we are writing, we are speaking, or when we are communicating. So this is very compulsory that you all have to learn all the modal auxiliary and their functions also. Because when they will ask you the question, they will just write it in the bracket. What they will write and give you, that change the modal auxiliary into this particular function. Then you all have to change the particular sentence into a particular function. We'll do these things, but first you all are writing, you all are giving the heading in your notebook. Topic 3, modal auxiliary. Write this 2 sentences that I have written and draw one table of 12 to 13 lines. I want a table and 3 parts. Start writing. Done with writing? Fine. Now first we are going to go through that is may and might. Right? May and might is the first model. What it is indicating, what is the meaning of may and might, or what is it is expressing when we are using may and might in particular sentence. What, according to you, just think, may and might, what function it will denote? Yes, it is going to denote the first thing, that is permission. And possibility. Clear? First model is may and might. What it is denoting, what it is saying, the what word is trying to say when we are using this 2 models in a particular sentence. It is giving the attitude and function of permission and possibility. May I come in? So what you all are asking when you all are entering into the class, when a teacher is standing, right? What you all will ask, may I come in? And possibility, why? It is the possibility if teacher will say yes or teacher will say no. If you all are late, teacher will say no. It is the possibility that teacher can say no also and teacher can say yes also. So permission and possibility both are going with these two words. Second, can. Can may what function? Ability and again possibility. Ability and possibility. Clear? Next, could. Yes. Think. Third one is could. Now some sentences are there where can be used, where could can be used. Where can be used, it can also show the capacity also. You can write here capacity also. Right? Could. In could also, all these three things can come. Fourth, may not. May not. The word not itself is showing it is negative. So the function will also be in a negative form. May not means it is denoting that it will show some prohibition. Clear? It will show some prohibition. Fifth, should. Advise. Or you can write probability. Clear? If I will say that you should study regularly, you should make your timetable. So this is what I'm giving you all the advice. And now it is up to you that you all are following that advice or you all are not. Because there should be some goal in front of you. So I am giving you all the advice. That is where I am using the word should, I am using the word model as a should, because I am denoting what? An advice or a probability. Clear? Sixth, would. Now would, when I'm using would when some habitual action is already created in the past, right? Habitual action, you can write here. Clear? Habitual action in the past. Next, seventh, must. You must score a good marks. Must, it is showing something. It is denoting, it is giving some meaning. It is showing what? Compulsion. It is giving compulsion. You must do your homework in time. You must attend lectures on time. Must word is what? It is giving you the meaning of compulsion, that no, you have to do it. Right? You can write the function compulsion. Or you can write obligation. Right? Eighth one. Will. Will is showing some certainty. Some patience, you can say as. Ninth, shall. Determination. Shall, determination. Because shall is the word that will denote, or it is giving the meaning that we are determined to do something. Right? 10. Shall not. Shall is showing determination. It is showing that we are motive to give, or our goal is determined. Right? But shall not, what it is denoting? Shall not is giving again a negative impact, like may not. These both are same. Here again, same as may not, shall not, will denote, it is giving the meaning of prohibition. And you can say here shall not is giving a prevention also. Because each and every word is giving different meanings. May not, it is only prohibition, but shall not, prohibition also, and it is preventing also. Clear? 11. Ought to. Ought to. What will come? Obligation, probability, and you can write desirability. Clear? This is your whole model auxiliary table and its function. You have to go through it. It is very important for your grammar topic. Each and every topic is important, but this topic model, in every sentence you have to use this. Clear? Now we'll go with the examples. Just write your suggestion in should. Number 5. Right? Advice, suggestion, one and the same thing. But they can just go with the different words to make you all confused. Now, first sentence, I'm just dictating it. You all have to write. Fast. Be prepared. Be prepared. Always to pay the price. Be prepared. Always to pay price. In bracket, bracket open, you all are writing rewrite using, rewrite using a modal auxiliary, a modal auxiliary showing suggestion, showing suggestion. Not we, it will come you. You should always be prepared to pay price. Clear? You should always be prepared to pay price. Second sentence. I have to work hard as I can. Bracket open. Replace the modal auxiliary. Replace the modal auxiliary by another showing obligation, showing obligation. Here modal auxiliary in the question is given can. Can is denoting, it is giving me the function of what? It is giving me the function of ability, possibility and capacity. Right? Now I have to, you all have to change it with obligation. I want the whole sentence. Guys, whenever you all are writing the sentence, you can't cut off the sentence. You all were right. But the thing is, you all have to write the whole sentence. You cannot cut the sentence also, and you cannot change the meaning of the sentence also. So what the answer is going to come? I have, or you can write I must work hard I must work hard as I can. Why can will come? Because it is in the sentence. You have replaced have instead of must there. Clear? So there are two modal auxiliaries into it, that is must and can. Right? Must is the important one in this sentence because it is showing some what? Obligation, or compulsion in the sentence. Clear? Third sentence. You should do what your teacher tells you to do. Now, it is again the same thing what we had written in the second sentence. Write the same thing in the bracket what you all have written in the second sentence. Replace the modal auxiliary by showing obligation. Done? You must do what your teacher tells you to do. Clear? Now, fourth sentence. Write down the remaining journey should be undertaken on foot or pony. Now, I have given the model here already. I have given here the should. Sorry. Should is showing the advice. Right? Should is showing some advice. And now you all are writing it in bracket. Rewrite the sentence using the modal auxiliary using the model auxiliary, done. Using the model auxiliary, the ability or possibility. Just write possibility or ability. Anyone will go. Done. Right. Write down the answer. The should is showing the suggestion, right? And can, when we are using the model can, you all are replacing it. So it is showing the possibility or advice. Write the same thing. The remaining journey can be undertaken on foot or pony. Clear? Now, fifth one, right here, you can go to bed early. What this sentence is saying, it is giving an advice because can is there here. Now, write it in the bracket, change it, change it, or you can write replace the model auxiliary using should, sorry, using suggestion. Should will give you an suggestion. Instead of can, you have to write should. You should go to bed early. Clear? Right? Done? Now, now be careful. In exam, I can ask you to match the column according to it. I will give you the match of model and here its function that will be shuffled. So you need, and it is very much compulsory that you remember the attitude and the function of it. Clear? So we have completed, guys, here our topic 3, that is modal auxiliary. Just go through it. I'm giving you all 2 minutes to go through it fast. Any doubts you all can ask me. Guys, we have completed with this topic. I hope it is clear to you all, and we'll continue with the next and the new topic in the next lecture. Bye bye.